I still remember my first day as a trainer. My mindset was that whatever training content I had needed to be given out in entirety without missing a word. And do you know what happened? I went on and on and on like an Energizer battery, and by the end of the first hour, the audience was really bored. So the second day I improvised a bit, started with an icebreaker. That really loosened up the participants and they became very interactive. That was my first learning, which is that if you are a trainer, do not make it a monologue. So with the icebreaker in place, my goal still remained that the content I deliver needed to be given out in entirety. But do we like being bombarded with theory? And how much of it do we retain? We don't like it. However, if we are given stories that we can relate to and taken through activities, that experience stays with us forever. That was my second learning, which is engage the audience with activities to convey the idea. There was still one area for me to work upon, which was my PowerPoint presentations. They had a lot of text in them, hardly any images, and it was becoming a death by PowerPoint. That's when my friend told me about the 1-6-6 rule, which is one idea, one slide, 6 bullets maximum per slide, and 6 words maximum per bullet point. Theory apart, was it easy to implement this? It was not, because since childhood, since school, we are so used to writing a lot of text, and the same legacy gets carried on into our professional lives as well. However, if we take steps to improve each time, with a lot of practice, rigor and discipline, we can get great at our PowerPoint presentations. As the famous dialogue from The Godfather goes, great men are not born great, they grow great. And so it is with trainers. If we take steps to improve each time, each of us can become a great trainer. So, what are we waiting for?